Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com column types. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage their work in a flexible and customizable way. Column types are a key feature of Monday.com, enabling users to create and organize their boards in a way that suits their specific needs. To get started, let's first understand what column types are. Column types are the different types of columns that can be added to a board, such as text, date, numbers, and more. Each column type has its own unique characteristics and uses, and selecting the right column type is crucial for effective board creation. Let's go through some of the most commonly used column types. The text column type is used to store text-based information, such as task descriptions or notes. The date column type is used to store dates and deadlines, and can be used to create calendars and timelines. The numbers column type is used to store numerical data, such as budgets or quantities. To add a new column to a board, simply click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the board, and select the column type you want to add. You can then customize the column settings, such as the column name and description, to suit your needs. One of the key benefits of using column types is that they enable automation and integration with other columns and boards. For example, you can use the date column type to trigger automations, such as sending reminders or notifications when a deadline is approaching. Best practices for using column types include keeping your columns concise and focused on a specific piece of information, using clear and descriptive column names, and using automation and integration to streamline your workflow. In addition to the built-in column types, Monday.com also allows users to create custom column types using formulas and integrations. This enables users to create complex calculations and integrations, such as calculating project costs or integrating with external data sources. In conclusion, column types are a powerful feature of Monday.com that enable users to create and organize their boards in a flexible and customizable way. By understanding the different column types and how to use them effectively, users can streamline their workflow, automate tasks, and gain valuable insights into their work.